Hey my friends, it's Nick Logan here. I want to cover the Empower Network viral blogging system. There's a special SEO keyword tool off to the right here, and some people have asked me how this works, and it's pretty simple. There's a couple things on here that aren't necessarily self-explanatory, but it is simple. So let me get started and just say I'm doing this blog post, which I'm doing today, about Empower Network 8 Core Steps in Project AWOL. So I want my keyword, my main keyword, I'm going to put that in there. So the SEO keyword. And it's going to tell you how you're doing. It's giving you a score, keyword density, etc. So it asks you, it tells you more keywords, more words needed. I got a red X for that because I don't have that many words. I got green check marks on some of these. Like you have a keyword in the first sentence, which is basically the title. You have a keyword in the last sentence, which I don't actually have that there, but Empower Network. But I guess it's just saying this is the only sentence we have so far. You do not have the internal link to your other pages. I'll go through each one of these individually. So obviously you just need more words. They're looking for about 300 to 500 words. Anything above 500, you're going to get a green check mark here. Having your keyword in the first sentence, that's obviously the title. But it doesn't hurt to have your keyword in the first sentence here. I'm gonna just copy and paste that because I'm gonna use this for several examples. So Power Network, Power Network, Power Network, Power Network. So one of the things here, let's go down to H2 tags and H3 tags. In the title here is your H1 tag. All that is really the size of the text. The reason why this is important is these are certain things that Google is looking for, and that's why this tool is so beneficial. So this is already a H1 tag. I have a green check mark there. So let's say I'd say Empower Network is really cool. I'm just being dumb here, but so there's the visual side and then the text side. A lot of this stuff's going to be done on the text side, which really means the HTML side, and I'm not going to go crazy into HTML, but so let's say we want to add an H2 tag here. So H2 is this open H2 close, and then you have to close it by going open / H2. So that's just some simple code, and if we wanted to do the same thing for H3, H3, H3. That's as simple as that. If I want to bold it, which is another one over here, your keyword is not bolded, your keyword is not italicized, and your keyword is not underlined. So let's just simply hit the bold key right here, and that will bold it. Let's italicize it. Boom. Now let's save our draft and see what's going on. Actually, this one's already published, but so I got a lot more green check marks. It's that simple. Now if I want to underline it, same thing, open U, close, open U, / U, caret, whatever that is. I don't even know the proper terminology, but I know how to do it. So if I update it again, this red X will turn into a green check mark. Now there's a little strategy here. If you go over to the visual side and you want to mess around with your pictures, that underline will go away. So usually the last thing I ever do is the underline, because watch, if I go over here to the visual, and sometimes this underline will go away. I don't know why, it's just a little buggy. See, that underline went away. So the very last thing I do is that, because there might be some tweaks and stuff that I do, but the very last thing I do is that underline that I just showed you. A couple other things here, you do not have an internal link to your other pages. What they're looking for is for you to highlight a word, a keyword, let's say it's blog daily. And I click on this little chain link fence here, and I can pick the pages that are within my blog. That's what they're saying, is linking to another page within your blog. Empower Network Chicago, let's say. And then I can just say add link, and now see how this is hyperlinked there. And if I update, this will turn into a green check mark. Alright, see, it did. So obviously I still need more words, and this one right here will get you. This is like a one of the more advanced ones, but it's not that hard. Remember, it's advanced, but it's not that hard. You have rel equals no follow added to your external links. So let's say I went and said, and here, again, this is how you add a link. This is on the text side versus the visual side. So I just put link, and it'll ask me what link I want. This is not internally, these are external links that they're talking about. So let's just say project awall.com. So I add my link, and as you see, if I update it, that green check mark is going to go away, and it's going to be a red X, because I have to do one more thing with that external link. See that X right there? What you have to do, this code right here, it says attend events, and I'll show you what that looks like on the visual side. So down here it's attend events, but it's highlighted. It's linked, I should say. So let's go back over here to the code and tell you how to add the rel equals no follow to get that green check mark back again. And the reason why you want the green check marks is Google's going to prefer that. So here's the code where it has attend events. That's what it's going to say, but this is the link it's going to go to when you go there. So go outside the quotation marks, space, rel, space, equals, quote, no follow, one word, quote, and that's all you do. And I'll update it again, and that green check mark shows up again. So it's after the quotes here of your link, space, rel equals no follow, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment and let me know what you thought. Have a great day. See ya.